We are pleased to show you the 2023 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, moonroof, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.